Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Ometv camera which have denied it access to your device, right? You can see in front of my screen I am facing the same issue. Then how I can solve it? First of all, you have to just open a new tab and type here Ometv. You have to just open a Ometv. If you find the same issue, then do one thing. If you're using a Brave browser, then you will find this settings icon here. If you're using a Chrome browser, then you will find it somewhere in the end, right? So basically what this says, you can see there is a camera icon here and it says cross. It means that we haven't gave any access or permission to view our camera. That's why we are not able to use Home TV. So you can just click from here, right? If you just click on the allow, then it will give you the access. Or there is another way to do it. You can just click over here, and from here, if you just turn this toggle on, it will start working. You can see this change, right? And after doing it, we have to just reload this. Once we reload, our camera will start working perfectly fine. Let me show you, right guys? And if I just click on start, you can see that people will start coming to see here, right? So this is the way where you can find this solution of these videos, your issues. So let me just turn off the camera right now, and I hope you found this video very useful.